This is a safety warning for you to help you from having this potentially deadly situation. All these riding mowers come with a muffler underneath. I just picked this tractor up the other day, and the fellow that had it told me that leaves got caught up under here. He went through leaves, he was mulching leaves, and let me get up here. And what developed from that was a fire. You can see how this all melted in here and how it came right up to the gas tank. Get a good view of that. Fortunately for him, he got off it and got the fire out before this blew. Look at this. This could be a real deadly situation. This side of the tractor's not burnt. The fire was all on this side. See this? Now this could have been just from him going through those leaves and they getting caught up under there. There could have been leaves under there from the last time that he mowed. I just want to point out that general maintenance is a must on these tractors. Losing a tractor is one thing. Losing your life or a limb or hurting someone else is a whole different situation. So everyone, stay alert, take care of your equipment, and until next time, stay safe.